Stop for just a moment. Our Black Friday specials at jwsteelcrafts.com are now live. These handcrafted pieces are made with care, polished to perfection, and each one has its own unique character. For this weekend only, we're offering a special discount on selected items. You can see the full collection on jwsteelcrafts.com. The link is in my bio and on the screen. If you're interested, drop a comment saying, "I'm in," or send a quick message. Limited quantities available for the Black Friday deal.